Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're in a local hidden gem in Yokohama City, Kanagawa Prefecture. So this is a super local spot that most people will not see if they're in Japan. Right now we're looking at the Oka River. Not too many people here, which is surprising because this is a very popular destination. It's a popular train stop, but you can find some peace here too in this hidden spot. So let's check it out. Let's explore a little bit and see what we can find here. Let's go. Hey guys, and as we continue heading, I think we're gonna find some pretty cool stuff, so let's go. Alright guys, so now we're by Aoki Shrine. This is called Aoki Shrine. Not very well known actually, and it has a lot of history. Before it was up the river, but then it broke down and they rebuilt it over here with a whole new structure. And it seems like the neighborhood pays for this and keeps it looking nice and fresh. So let's check out some of the statues. And you have this really cool statue sculpture. Looks like a lion. Not exactly sure what it is. I'll have to research it, but you do see them pretty often. And up ahead there is a bell. So if you pull that rope down, it'll ring the bell. And I think that's supposed to give you luck. That's how you make a wish. It looks like there's no one here, nobody inside, but it's pretty cool. All right, let's head on out of here and check out the waterfront. Then eventually you'll make it to a quiet place like this. There's usually not too many people here, except after work hours. They come here, they sit down, they talk with their friends, they do something great, and of course, they have an onigiri or a snack, a drink, and just relax here. And it's beautiful. It's really amazing. If that was enough, you could obviously go up and visit a really nice restaurant up there and have some great food while enjoying the Oka River. It's really stunning here, and I recommend you guys check out more local spots instead of touristy spots. Guys, and that's gonna be a wrap for local spots and hidden gems in Japan. So, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.